Beautiful, it worked. So guys, hello. It's a very icy day today and 0 degrees, and now we're here on the third testing day for the J-36 V2, and I've made changes. I designed drag flap wings. On the outside it's like a wing, on the inside it's like a drag flap, and I made a acrylic vertical stabilizer. It's I have a spare part. I think that's the smallest version of it. I hope it flies. Yeah, it worked.
30 seconds.
It's good. Beautiful, it worked. Yeah, very good. Now, that's a nice one. And the new drag fins, drag fins will work.